Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, June 14, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Long night with some sales reports.
I get it. I'm tired too. Lots of project updates.
Yeah, we're always busy. Grab a cup and let's chat for a bit.
Sure, I need a break. What's new with you?
Same old, same old. But hey, did you hear about this big politics thing?
No, what's that? Tell me.
I saw on the news that the US is having some trouble with a state over sending troops for protests. It's about some immigration stuff.
Oh really? That sounds serious?
Yeah, it's a mess. I just hope it doesn't mess up any business deals we have.
True, it could affect a lot of things. I wonder how it changes plans for companies like ours?
Exactly. Anything that slows down clients is bad for sales. I just want smooth deals, you know?
I understand. Let's see what happens next.
For sure. Hey, speaking of news, did you see that old runway story?
Runway? Like for planes? What's that about?
Yeah, it's cool. There's this old secret place in Asia used by spies long ago, and now people are visiting it.
That's interesting. Is it like a history thing?
Kind of. It's from a time of big secrets, and now it's just a tourist spot.
Nice. I like history stuff. It's good to know about the past.
Totally, but I'm just thinking. Imagine having a sales meeting in a secret jungle spot. That'd be wild.
Yeah, but not practical for projects. I'd rather have my computer and a good desk.
Fair enough. You're all about the planning, huh?
Always. I need order to keep things moving.
Speaking of moving, did you hear about that big photo collection they released this week?
Photos? What kind?
It's a bunch of pictures from around the world. Like events and people just from the last few days.
Oh, that sounds nice. Where did you see it?
On a big news site. It's like a quick look at what's happening everywhere.
I like that. It's good to see different cultures and stories.
Yeah, some of the shots are amazing. Makes me want to travel, but I'm stuck with sales calls instead.
I know the feeling. I'd love to see new places. But projects keep me here?
One day, maybe. We just need a big bonus or something.
True. A break somewhere nice would be great.
Hey, imagine showing those world photos to clients. Could be a good icebreaker, right?
Maybe, but I think it's better for team meetings. It could inspire some new ideas.
Good point. You always think about the team.
It's my job. I like to keep everyone on the same page.
And I just try to keep the numbers up. Different games, same office.
Haha, yes. We balance each other?
For sure. Hey, how's your project going, by the way?
It's okay. Just a lot of meetings. I'm busy with timelines today.
I feel you. I've got 3 client calls lined up, no rest for us.
Nope, but at least we have coffee.
Best part of the day. This machine saves my life.
Same here? I don't know what I'd do without it.
Probably fall asleep at the desk. I've done that before.
Huh, I believe it. I've seen you look pretty tired.
Guilty as charged. Hey, any big plans for later?
Not really, just more work. What about you?
Same, just pushing through some emails. Gotta hit those targets.
Good luck with that. I know sales is tough.
Thanks. And good luck with your timelines. Don't let them stress you out.
I'll try. See you later, David.
Yeah. See you around, Alex. Have a good day.
You too. Take it easy.
Always do. Catch you at the next coffee break.
Sounds good. I'll be here.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.